I want to show you a very useful tool within Gmail. It used to be called canned responses, but now it's more aptly named templates. And as the name implies, it's for you to create an email that you can recycle over and over again. Why would you want this? Well, let me give you an example. Let's say you're a host or an actor and people are constantly asking you for your reel as well as your headshot, your resume, right? Well, that can be a template that you save, and that way anytime somebody asks, boom, you just select that template and there's all the information. Now, of course, you can, touch it up and cater it if you need to, but you can also just very easily shoot off an email and be done with it, right? So it's intended to be a way to have all the stuff saved that, you're constantly answering, right? So another thing, like let's say hey, do you mind sending me your schedule? And you have a link to your Calendary or, some other service that you utilize. Boom, you could say, the template email could be as simple as, here's a link to my calendar, pick out a time that works for you, right? Whatever it is. So how do we set this up? Well, within Gmail, we go into settings and we select see all settings. In the advanced tab, we're going to enable templates, okay? So by default, it's disabled, but we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And so now that we have that, what we're going to want to do is compose an email, okay? So we're going to click compose. And once it's loaded up, if you have an email signature, delete it because it's already going to get inserted anyway. And so if you keep it in your template, it'll just essentially be put in twice into an email. So I'm just going to go ahead and select everything, delete it, and now I'm going to start an email that would be my template. So for this, I'll just write hi, and then I'll write blah, blah, blah. Next line. Thank you for your time, right? Just something simple, stupid for this example. Anyway, there's my template email. So now what we're going to do on the bottom here, where we have our options for send and all that, we're going to select the 3 buttons for more options. And we're going to go ahead and select templates, okay? And now here we have a way to save this as a new template, or delete some stuff or whatever. Right now, I only have one saved that was temporary that I made, but we're going to go ahead and save this one as a new template. And for the purpose of this, I'll just label it test. You label it something more useful for you than just test, right? So I'll go ahead and click save. Now it's saved as a template. So I'm going to go ahead and discard this draft. And let's say now, okay, a day goes by, weeks go by, whatever, and I need to send out an email of this kind. So I'm going to go ahead and compose a new email, and I'm going to go same thing for more options, templates, except this time, instead of saving it, I'm going to say insert, right? So we're going to insert the test template, and boom, there's my test template. And as you can see, it's exactly as I had it. It's got my signature here that is just automatic and so forth. So you can use this as a way to, compose an initial email. Like let's say you're doing outreach, to various groups, like emailing them about a party, crowdfund, whatever it is, right? So you can compose an email and initiate it that way, or you can respond to emails as well, right? So it just depends what type of template you ultimately create for yourself. But I just want to kind of highlight, why you would use it, how to use it, and the good news is you can create as many or as few templates as you need. So go ahead and utilize this tool. It's very, very effective. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comments section or hit me up on social media at Svitek. And furthermore, in fact, one of the things I would love to ask you essentially is go ahead and comment with how you are using these templates, right? If you start to use it, like what are the things that have benefited you? And we can start to create a list, and that'd be wonderful for all of us to expand our minds, if you will. So thank you as always for taking time to tune in. I hope to see you next time.